In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a bill in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to create a new bill that looks almost exactly like an existing one, copying a bill can save you a lot of time and help reduce manual entry errors. This is especially useful when you regularly receive similar bills from the same vendor or need to recreate a bill with only a few changes. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. From there, open Expenses and Pay Bills so you can access your list of transactions related to vendor payments and bills. Once that section is open, select Bills to view all the bills currently in your account. Now, locate the bill you want to copy. If you have a long list, it may help to scroll carefully or use the available search and filtering tools to find the correct transaction faster. After you find the bill, open it to view the full bill form. At the bottom of the bill form, click More. This menu contains additional actions you can take with the bill. From the options that appear, select Copy. QuickBooks Online will then create a duplicated version of that bill using the original information as a starting point. At this stage, take a moment to review the duplicated bill carefully. Even though the bill has been copied, you'll still want to confirm that all the information is appropriate for the new transaction. Update any details that need to be changed, such as the bill date, due date, amount, or vendor information. This step is important because you want the new bill to reflect the correct accounting period and accurate payment terms. Once you've finished making your updates, click Save and Close if you're done, or choose Save and New if you want to save this bill and immediately begin creating another one. Pick the option that best fits your workflow. After saving, verify that the new bill has been created successfully. You can do this by returning to the bills list and checking for the new entry. It's a good habit to confirm that the copied bill appears correctly and includes all the changes you made before moving on. And that's it. That's how to copy a bill in QuickBooks Online quickly and efficiently. Taking a few extra seconds to review the duplicated bill before saving can help prevent mistakes and keep your records accurate. Thanks for watching.